Hey guys, Bruce from Cell Pro here. We're doing a screen replacement on an iPhone 11. Please thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Anyways, here we go. All right, we're gonna just remove the pentalobe screws at the bottom here. It looks like this guy might need to reset his phone because it looks like the phone screen ghost touched it a bunch of times. Anyways, it's life in the big city, I guess, right? Looks like this screen has been removed before. Comes off pretty easy peasy. There we go. Jeez, this guy's really stuck in here. It's a bit mangled, actually. Damn. Gotta use the razor on this. There we go. There we go. All right, so there, we're into it. Almost took it from the wrong side there. You want to be careful which way you're handling it. So now we're gonna go like that. We're gonna try and get this phone off as soon as possible because it's hitting buttons, that's for sure. Anyways, she's off now, so there we go. Whoever did this screen replacement before left these blue things on. I mean, I don't hate it when people do that, but it's just fucking lazy. Like, why wouldn't you remove it? All right, so you put that guy aside, since that's off. You take that, that, and one more, needing this one. I don't know why they do that. I think it's just it's so small. Now that guy comes off like so. Put that bad boy aside. Grab the new screen. Take that off. Take that off. Like so. Bada bing, bada boom. I don't know what's going on here. There's people biking around, and I think it's Friday. It's Valentine's Day, so, but I think it's like National Indigenous Day as well, coming up on Monday or something, so. All right, so there's that. sure there's no screws or anything sticking out around the edges. You know what? This guy needs a new gasket, so we're gonna put that on. I don't do that this often, but in this case, this guy does need the new gasket. This is annoying. Okay, I'm just gonna pause it because I'm gonna get another one. All right, so I got myself another gasket here. So the process for this kind of goes as follows. You take one of the sides off, and then you want to keep it on there because, or in one of the casings, because it's easier to do, clearly, as you saw how I screwed it up last time. Let's make sure this guy's sticking nicely. And now we take this off. And then we take this off. You got a new gasket. What am I doing here? Oh, that's why. Friday, end of day. EOD. There we go. These guys are in place. Put this guy in. Test her out. Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bang. There we go. All right, now we're gonna put these in. All right, now we close her up. Just gonna give it that nice seal. All right, guys. That's the iPhone 11 screen replacement. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And thanks a lot.